Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you are probably interested in, crypto exchanges. Specifically, I'm going to be comparing Coinbase to some of its competitors to see which one is the better choice. But before I get into that, I want to start with a question. What is the best way to buy and sell cryptocurrency? There are a lot of different options out there, and it can be hard to know which one is right for you. In this video, I'm going to share some of my thoughts on the best crypto exchanges available. I'll also be discussing some of the key features that you should look for when choosing an exchange. So, if you're in the market for a new crypto exchange, or if you're just curious to learn more about this topic, then be sure to stick around. Okay, so let's get started with a quick overview of Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most popular crypto exchanges in the world. It's easy to use, and it offers a wide variety of coins. However, there are a few things that you should be aware of before choosing Coinbase. One downside of Coinbase is that its fees are relatively high. Another downside is that it doesn't offer as many advanced features as some of its competitors. So, if you're looking for a cheap and easy-to-use exchange, then Coinbase might be a good option for you. However, if you're looking for an exchange with more advanced features, then you might want to consider one of the other options on this list. Now, let's take a look at some of Coinbase's competitors. One of the best alternatives to Coinbase is Binance. Binance is a much larger exchange than Coinbase, and it offers a wider variety of coins and features. Another great option is Kraken. Kraken is a more advanced exchange than Coinbase, and it offers a wider range of trading options. Finally, another good option is Gemini. Gemini is a newer exchange than Coinbase, but it's quickly gaining popularity. So, which exchange is the best for you? The answer to that question depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a cheap and easy-to-use exchange, then Coinbase might be a good option for you. However, if you're looking for an exchange with more advanced features, then you might want to consider one of the other options on this list. Here are some of the key factors that you should consider when choosing a crypto exchange. Fees: how much does the exchange charge for trading? Security: how secure is the exchange? Features: what features does the exchange offer? Customer support: how good is the exchange's customer support? Once you've considered all of these factors, you can make an informed decision about which exchange is the best for you.